A very good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you all good and you are enjoying the online class. Welcome back our online class of IEO. Students, in our previous videos we have learned about nouns and pronouns. Today we are going to start a new topic. The topic is verbs. Topic name is verbs. Already you know about verbs in your grammar. You have already learned about it. Okay, in your previous classes. Today we will again we are going to learn about verbs. So in this topic, particularly we are going to learn about verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs, main verbs and auxiliary verbs. So there are different types of verbs that we are going to learn in this class. Okay. Next, first one is verbs. Actually, what is verb? So here everybody write the meaning from here to here in your notebook. Okay. From here to here write in your notebook. See, what is verb? Verbs are the words that shows an action or a state of being. Simply we can say that verb is nothing but it's showing an action. Understand? What I am doing now? I am teaching. So what is my action here? What is my work here? Teaching. Yes or no? You are learning. Learning is an action. So learning is a work. So that is indicating. So verbs are the words that shows an action or a state of being. Whatever the work you are doing, that is called a verb. Okay. Examples: drive, walk, drink, eat, laugh, dance, sing, read, okay, teach, etc. etc. So many examples we can give. Understand? Verbs can be divided into various kinds as per the following table. So verbs can be divided into two main categories: main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Okay. Verbs are mainly divided into two categories. First one is main verbs and second one is auxiliary verbs. Again, main verbs again divided into two types. Okay. Verbs divided into two types. Again, main verb also divided into two types: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. And auxiliary verbs are also divided into two types: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So which means 2 plus 2 4 and plus 2 6. There are 6 verbs. So we are going to learn about these 6 verbs. So in these verbs, first one is what? Main verbs. What is main verb? That we learn now. Just see. So everybody should first write your topic name, top of the page, then write the definition, examples and difference. Okay, this chart also you have to write in your notebook, IEO notebook. Understand? So next we are moving to the first one, main verbs. What is that? First one, main verbs. Okay. Main verbs. See, what is main verbs? These verbs occur independently in a sentence. They are also known as action words. So what is main verbs? These verbs means main verbs occur independently. Occur means occupied independently in a sentence. Means there is a particular work already occupied in a sentence. They are also known as action words. Action verbs. Examples: get, gain, cry, jump, laugh, eat. Anything we can write. Understand? So here these words already occur independently. Sorry, occur means okay. These verbs occur independently in a sentence. Occur means we can see. Understand? Get, gain, cry, jump, laugh, etc. So this is main verb. So you can write some of these sentences also. Okay. Next. So again main verbs are divided into two types, transitive and intransitive verbs. So see first one, what is transitive verbs? Okay. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Main verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. Transitive verbs need an object to complete their meaning. Okay. Intransitive verbs do not need any object to complete their meaning. Okay. So what is transitive verbs? Transitive verbs are different. Main verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. Transitive verbs need an object to complete their meaning. Okay. Some of the sentences are there that we have to complete. Mostly we are writing a sentence using a subject, verb, object. Right? First compulsory is subject and object. Whatever the middle we are writing, we'll write verb or we'll write an action, whatever we write. But we need subject and object in a sentence, compulsory. Understand? Without subject and object, meaning will be incomplete. Okay, meaning will not complete without subject and object. But in transitive verbs also need an object compulsory. Okay, to complete the sentence meaning. Okay. See, Sanjana washes the clothes. See, for example, in this example, if we write only Sanjana washes, we have not written object. So what is the object here? Clothes. And what is the subject? Sanjana. Okay. Sanjana is the subject and this is verb and this is object. Okay. Sanjana is the subject. Yes or no? Next. Washing. Washing is verb. And what she is washing? Clothes. Clothes is the object. So in this given sentence, not written object, Sanjana washes what? What she has washed? We don't know. So, if the sentence is not complete without an object, okay, if a sentence not complete without an object, it is wrong. What? Compulsory in transitive verbs, we have to, in transitive verbs. Okay, some words we can write without object also, but here in the given example, they are given object now. So when you are writing transitive verbs, object is compulsory. Understand? When we are writing transitive verbs, object is compulsory. Without object, it will be wrong. Understand? So, in the given sentence, given example, Sanjana washes the clothes. So, here Sanjana is the subject, washes verb and this is object. So, here without clothes, this is incomplete. So, in transitive verb, we have to write object compulsory. Without object, it is not a transitive verb. Understand? So next, intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs do not need an object to complete their meaning. So opposite. Okay. So in transitive verbs, compulsory we need an object. But when it comes to intransitive verbs, no need to write object. There is no compulsory rule to write intransitive verb with an object. So see here, example, Raman laughed. I cooked. I laughed, I played, we played. Like that we can write. So there is no need an object. When you are writing intransitive verb. But when we are writing a transitive verb, compulsory we need object. Without object, the sentence meaning will be incomplete. Understand? What is the difference? Now everybody, I hope you understand the difference between transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb means whatever the sentence we are writing, compulsory, what is the rule? Compulsory, there should be a object. Understand? Without object, transitive verb cannot be complete. But when we comes to intransitive verbs, no need to write object. There is no particular rule to complete a sentence by an object in intransitive verb. But transitive compulsory we need an object, but intransitive no need. Okay, this is verbs, main verbs and transitive and intransitive verbs. So according to this topic we have a self-test. Okay, so we can complete now. See, directions. Identify the verb in the following sentences. So here we have to identify the sentence. So identify the verb in the given sentence. Verb means what? It is an action. Okay, verb is an action. It is showing an action or state of being. So first one, Harmeet built a house. Harmeet built a house. So in this sentence, what is the action? What is verb? Harmeet is a noun and house is also a noun. So what is the verb here? Build. Understand? Build is a verb. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. So this is the verb. Understand? Next, we saw an aeroplane. We is a subject. Okay, saw an aeroplane. Aeroplane is also noun and object we write. Okay, so what is verb here? Saw. Saw is a verb. We are seeing. Okay, this is object and this is subject. So in this second sentence, which option is correct? Option A is correct. Next, third one. Arunima gave me a cup of ice cream. Okay, Arunima gave me a cup of ice cream. So in this sentence, what is the verb? Which word is the verb? Gave me of Arunima. Which one? Arunima is the name and subject. Gave is a verb. Me is a third person. Okay, and cup of ice cream is a noun. So which one? Option A. Second, third also option A is correct. Next, fourth one. The washerman washes the clothes. So what is the verb here? Washes. So option B. Understand? Next, fifth one. I saw some children going to the school. What is the verb here? Okay, what is the verb? I saw some children going to the school. See here. I is a subject. Saw is a verb. Okay. Children noun. Going also verb to the school. It is also noun. So which one? B, C. Means both B and C. Option B is correct. Understand? This is enough for today. What is auxiliary verbs that we will learn in our next videos. Okay? If you want to write, if you want to take self-test, you can write like this sentence by your own, then identify the verb. Okay? You may see these examples and also you can write your own. Okay? This is enough for today, and what is auxiliary verbs that we are going to learn in our next videos. Until children, take care and bye. Thank you.